Okay, this is the one we are going to create using the SolidWorks. All of these dimensions are given in millimeters. Okay, file, new part drawing. So I'm going to select the top plane for our first sketch. So select the top plane, then make it normal, then 94 and 60, use the center rectangle, dimension 60, 94. Then there's a line this dimension is equal 13. This dimension is equal 13. First of all, we are going to draw the center lines, horizontal center line, infinite length. Okay, center rectangle. For this center rectangle, dimension is equal 20. So then these two should be coincide. These two should be coincide, and this height is equal 30. Then there's another center rectangle. Again this one should be coincide with this one. These two should be coincide. That dimension is equal 40. Then 45. This dimension is equal 45 from this edge to this edge. So I'm going to use the trim feature for trim these entities. Okay, this is one contour. So then okay, again choose center rectangle. Then this dimension is equal 20. Then this one should be coincide with this one, linear. Then the thickness is equal 15. Then choose corner rectangle. corner rectangle, these two should be coincide, collinear, and these two also should be this one and this one also should be a collinear. Okay, then we have a fully defined sketch. Then we are ready to extrude this one. The features extrude. This contour and this contour should be 57. Then again select the feature extrude, select the sketch one, select this contour. For this contour, select the dimension 16. Then I'm going to select the front plane, then make it normal. So then sketch. So then the dimension here is 45 from this edge. Feature extrude cut through all. To create this feature, I'm going to select the front plane, then make it normal. So then sketch. Then this dimension is equal, the total height is equal 35. Okay, then the feature extrude in the two direction. For one direction is equal 10. In this way we can create this model using the SolidWorks.